Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. Here we go. Yeah. Wow. I did get my box here from Lev HaOlam, and I've had a lot of people that have really been enjoying me unboxing with you. So I'm going to continue to do that. I have not opened it at all yet. I'm very excited to see what there's going to be here this time. If you haven't ever seen any of these unboxings before, Lev HaOlam is a subscription service that really gives assistance to farmers and artisans and families and businesses that are in the heart of Israel, in Samaria and Judea, who have had a hard time keeping enough business really going. There's been a lot of sanctions against them from other places, and so I'm really happy to be able to help. And every one of these boxes that I've received has been a wonderful surprise and really nice stuff. And usually there's kind of a theme, so let me show you here. So let's get this open. Lev HaOlam means heart of the world, which I think is really neat. Oh, there we go. This is always so much fun. Okay. All right. This is just a little thing here that they're working really hard to get these out on time, and it's been a little rough with air traffic and stuff because of the COVID-19 restrictions. So I'm pretty impressed that they've been able to get them out as well as they have. And I'm going to read this little thing to you here. It says, "We thank you for your continuous support of the heartland of Israel during these times. For many of the people in Judea and Samaria, Lev HaOlam," sorry, it just touches my heart a lot. "For many of the people in Judea and Samaria, Lev HaOlam is their only source of income since COVID-19 crisis began. So you're saving the heartland of Israel. Your partnership with Lev HaOlam, while the restrictions get tougher and tougher, means life support to small businesses and families in Judea and Samaria. Thank you for staying with us and supporting these pioneers during difficult times. You're a true hero." So, oh, that's pretty cool. All right. I'll look at this here in just a minute. I know we're going to come across a theme here very soon. Now, here is the little booklet that always comes, tells you what's going on in Israel, things that are going on there. It tells you about the different artisans and farmers and craftsmen involved in all of it, and it gives recipes. And then just tells you a little bit about every single thing that's in the box. I will look at that more in just a minute too. Okay. So here's something I'm supposed to scan first. I will get back to this. Looks interesting. Okay. Okay, this is from Noah Atayas, a silver door sign. Ooh, we get beautiful stuff from artisans, from artists. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's got the doves, and it says Shalom. Oh, isn't that absolutely beautiful? Oh, I'm definitely going to put that up. It's got these beautiful doves on there. It's got little places to hang it. And it says Shalom. Hello, peace. It's Shalom. I have to find out everything that Shalom means because it's got several different neat meanings to it. That is beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love their teas. Okay. All right. So here we have The teas are made with 100% natural ingredients and no additives. And oh, this got some tape on it. I'm just about done with one of the last teas that they sent me because I've really enjoyed it. And I'll open this in just a minute. But hand-picked, 100% natural, just very lovely tea here. That's great. Oh, and I'm just getting low on my honey. They send different stuff all the time, and I'm just kind of using up the honey that they had sent from Spring Flowers, Yosef Honey Farms in the Golan Heights. Oh, wow. Just keeping the bees healthy and keeping them doing what they do is just so important. They're vital to crops and food growing properly. And I'm going to cut this. There we go. Sticky part off. I'm just going to smell it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, clean that off a little bit, Oh yeah. It's just such good honey. And honey is something that I can have as long as it's really natural like that. Ooh, bottle of wine. La Forêt Blanche, a dry red wine. A blend of mainly Cabernet Sauvignon grapes with Petit Verdot Shiraz and rounded off with a hint of Merlot. Aged for 6 months in French and American oak barrels and bottled without filtration. A young, full-bodied wine. With a heady aroma of young red fruits. Oh, cool. Aged in barrels, which adds complex overtones of chocolate and rich tannins. A medium, full-bodied wine that's ready to drink. And I won't be able to drink it. But I found someone last time, Bill and I don't drink at all, but I found someone last time that was delighted to get a lovely bottle of wine. They have like a little glass in the evening because red wine's good for you. I can't drink it all. But that's very, very nice. I will definitely find someone who would be blessed to get that bottle of wine. Natural bee ointment. I love the bee stuff. Oh, wonderful. The honey of Hebron resides in the city of our forefathers, Hebron. Hebron? I hope I'm pronouncing it pretty close. We produce honey and other beehive products with great devotion, love, and expertise, which has been passed down generation to generation in the Daniel family. Honey of Hebron puts great emphasis on the quality and naturalness of the products in order to deliver to you the best of what nature can offer. So rub on dry skin. And it's supposed to even help a little bit with relieving pain. Bee stuff is supposed to be really super, super good for you stuff. Let's see if I can get this out here. Very nice. Oh, look at this, hon. It says Shalom with doves on it. Isn't that cool? Oh, my handsome husband's right there. Oh, neat. Natural bee ointment. I've really been using the stuff they've been sending. And if for some reason I couldn't use it like the wine, I find somebody that really appreciates it. Oh, now, see, this is not a cream. This is like an ointment. I've seen bee kind of stuff like this before. It's just an absolute, like, firm ointment. Oh, that can be so soothing. I will be using that on my hands. Cool. It's the kind of thing I'll just rub in like at night and everything. Neat. Treatment of all skin problems and relief of pain. Ooh, a rice mix. Cool. Dried onion, almonds, pine nuts, white raisins, and black raisins. Spread this mixture on top of cooked rice while the rice is still hot and mix it well. You can also cook the rice with the mixture. Oh, I bet that's good. Wow. I mean, that's a step up, I think, from your basic rice-a-roni. Wow. Onions, almonds, and raisins. Well, I bet that's good. I won't be able to eat it, but you're probably going to really enjoy it. Oh, I love their foot cream. This is Pomegranate. In the year 2000, a winemaker from the Nachmias family in Moshav Karem ben Zimra, who grew different types of deciduous trees, learned about the healing properties of the pomegranate fruit, known as a superfood, which compelled him to grow pomegranate trees. So the winery has developed a new line of cosmetics based on pomegranate extracts known for their cosmetic properties. So, oh boy, does this smell good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, gotta get the little plastic thing off. That smells really good. It's fun to have you guys join in when I open all this. I'm going to try this a little bit on here. It's not my foot, but that doesn't really matter. Oh, very nice. Oh, I love that stuff. Oh, that's nice. I'm not completely sure what makes something necessarily a foot cream, but oh yeah, very gentle, really mild. That is really nice. Okay, now, I just want to take a second here. So there is a song that's written on the greeting card, and I'll use my QR code reader application on my smartphone and scan it, and then the song will play on the phone. And you can read along with the translated lyrics written inside the card. Oh. The spirit of the entire year is shaped by the way it begins, like the way that the very first days of a child's life affect its personality and characteristics. The Hebrew year is approaching now, and with this package we wish to open with a prayer and a blessing. At the top we have placed the peace, shalom greetings in both languages on an exquisite metal cutout door sign created by the artist from the village of Hashmonaim in western Samaria. To awaken the spirit of benevolence, we've included a unique herbal tea arranged and packed by Jordan Valley Company that makes a point of... Oh, I love this! Packed by Jordan Valley Company that makes a point of employing mentally challenged workers. Oh, to extend some sweetness, you'll find a jar of honey made by the bees of the Golan Heights. For tenderness, there's a skin relief cream made in Hebron, the city of the patriarchs, and a pomegranate extract hand cream from the Upper Galilee. We've also given you almonds and raisins grown in the hills of Samaria and a fine wine taken from the vineyards in Carmel in southern Judea. Together, all these items symbolize a good and blessed year. Every year in Israel, with the start of autumn, people are accustomed to greeting each other by saying, a good year. A feeling of anticipation is in the air during the month of Elul, which precedes the new year, Rosh Hashanah. This feeling finds expression in the poet Avraham Halfi's song, Jewish Autumn, which is the song on the New Year's greeting card in this box. The painting on the greeting card at the top of your gift box was created especially for friends of Lev HaOlam and was inspired by this very song. Oh, wow. And so this is Shalom in English here and in Hebrew at the top here. That's beautiful. Oh, my goodness. And then here's the card, and if I scan it, then the song will play. Jewish autumn in the land of my ancestors sends me hints of Elul. The tiny birds whistling the sadness of the Day of Atonement already agitate within me. The shofars will blow to open the gates of heaven, and Jewish faces from the diaspora, gray and melancholy, will flutter before the throne of the Master of the universe, and in their eyes, requests and supplication and myriads of sparks. Wow. Okay, I don't have my phone right here. Well, I tell you what, I will scan this and I'll make sure I include it in the video. But there's a beautiful picture here. Huh. The shofar is blowing out, I think, words on this art here. So the theme seems to be the new year, the Rosh Hashanah, the new year. So everything in here they have really tried to put together that would have meaning. And if I can get this song to play, I'll include it. Absolutely. Ah, that's really great. Neat, neat, neat. Oh, the tea is going to be wonderful. I'm ready for some more. All right. Well, listen, I'll try to go ahead and include that song if I can. Okay, I was very easily able to read the little, whatever those things are called. QR, what are those things called? These little things that you can scan. I was able to scan it easily. So I haven't listened to this yet. I thought I would share it with you when I listen to it. But this is the song that goes with this little card, Shana or Shana Tova from Israel, and the little words that I read to you. So let's listen to it.
סתם יהודי בארץ אבותיי שולח בי.
So thank you for joining me today and for being with me as I do this this unboxing. I'll have a link below for Lev HaOlam, very easy to find. So you guys be blessed. Thanks for joining in with me. Shalom. And live simple, live free. I love you guys. All right, bye-bye.